Tired of fumbling with messy cables and unclear labels? The DYMO cable wrapping label printer offers a quick and reliable way to keep your wiring organized with just a few taps. Featuring a familiar QWERTY keyboard, it lets you type labels fast, so you spend less time setting up and more time enjoying a neat, professional-looking network. What makes this printer stand out is how it saves you time. With one-touch hotkeys, you can instantly create and format wire wraps, flags, and barcodes, like code 39 and code 128, without navigating complicated menus. Plus, the customizable favorites key gives you instant access to your most used labels and symbols. No more repeating steps or hunting for the right format. The custom key even lets you save settings for individual label types, so every label prints just the way you want it. I've used this printer for my home network, labeling Cat6 cables with its flexible nylon tape, and it sticks perfectly. While it might not pack as many symbols as pricier models, it covers everything most home users need. The print quality is sharp 99% of the time, with only occasional minor imperfections near the tape's backing split, nothing that ever makes the text hard to read. For home labs or small setups, it's reliable and straightforward. Another benefit? This printer works exclusively with authentic DYMO industrial labels, available in widths from 1/4 to 3/4. These industrial strength labels come in various materials and colors, and you can even print directly onto heat shrink tubes. That means your labels won't just look good, they'll last through wear and tear, helping you maintain order for years to come. If you're managing cables at home or running a small network, this label printer is worth a look. It's designed to simplify your workflow and deliver consistent results without the complexity of industrial gear. The blend of fast typing, time-saving shortcuts, and durable labels means you get organized quickly and confidently. Ready to take control of your cables and labeling? Try the DYMO cable wrapping label printer when you're ready to upgrade your setup. It's the practical choice for anyone who values clear, lasting labels without the hassle.